Jai Hind children, today let us revise more about Roman numerals. The ancient Roman used letters to write numbers. We use Roman numerals in clock and watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. The number I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, and C is equal to 100. There are three rules. We need to remember three rules for writing the numbers. First rule, rule of repetition. Second, rule of addition. And third, rule of subtraction. First rule, rule of repetition. When symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3. Here, symbol I is written one time, its value is 1. Here, symbol I is written two times, so its value is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Here, I is written three times, I. So, its value is multiplied by 3. So, I into 3 or 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Second, symbol I, symbol X and symbol C. I is equal to 1, X is equal to 10 and C is equal to 100. Can be written three times. Can be repeated three times. We can write I is equal to 3. We can write X is equal to 30. And we can write C is equal to 300. Here Hindu Arabic number and here Roman numerals. I 1 we can write as I, 2 written as double I, 3 written as I, and 4 we will not write 4 time I, we will write 4 IV. We can write 4 IV. Now symbol VL are never repeated, so we cannot write VV. It is wrong. And we cannot repeat LL. It is also wrong. So symbol V and L never repeated. In Hindu Arabic number, 10 is written as X. This is correct. 10 is written as X. And VV is wrong. Now rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to be the right of a higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Listen again. It is symbol X and I. X is equal to 10, I is equal to 1. If smaller value is written right side of the greater value, so we add smaller value to the greater value. Here greater value is 10 and smaller value I is written right to the X. So it will be added. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is the left of symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Listen, this is x is equal to 10 and c is equal to 100. So, when we write xc, smaller value is written left to the higher value. If smaller value is written left to the higher value, it will be subtracted. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. The symbol VL can be subtracted from any number, cannot be subtracted from any number. Listen again. Symbol V and L cannot be subtracted from any number. 95, 100 minus 5. So this is wrong because V is not subtracted from any number. We can write 95, 90 plus 1. First we will write 90, that is XC, and then we write 5. So XC 5 is a correct value and VC is wrong. I, X and C are used to subtract. IV, I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, I is written left to the greater value, so I is subtracted from V. V is equal to 5, I is equal to 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here X is equal to 10, I is equal to 1. I is written left to the greater value, so it is subtracted. Small value, if small value is written left to the greater value, then it will be subtracted. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here XL is given, L is equal to 50, X is equal to 10. 10 is subtracted from higher value is 50. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Now XC, X is equal to 10, C is equal to 100, and this X is written left to the greater value. So we will subtract it. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90.